Hello everyone, I am Moin Ahmed and here I am introducing my new YouTube channel Stack Help Tech. This channel will mainly focus on technical videos from various skills like WordPress, Joomla, PHP, Expression Engine, .NET, Java, Android and other technical skills. We are going to create videos on each skills and on each topics so that you are going to get a lot of videos on technical skills. You can also post your questions to our website stackhelp.tech and we are going to create videos on the same topic that you post there. I am going to put link of the website in below description. You can find it below. So let's rock and roll. And oh yes, one more thing I forgot to mention is please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never gonna miss any technical videos. Keep supporting us. Thank you. So folks, let's start with our first ever video for this YouTube channel. So let's do it now. Today we will introduce you with the WordPress, which is one of the biggest giant in website field. There are various reasons why WordPress is being widely used by the developers as well as entrepreneurs. But we will cover all of this in later videos. So first of all, let's start with the introduction. So here we go. Welcome to our YouTube channel Stack Help Tech. Here we are going to discuss the benefits of WordPress. Without wasting any more time, let's get straight to the benefits. There are a lot of benefits that WordPress is providing, but here we have listed down some of the main benefits of WordPress. As you can see, the first point is ease of use. The WordPress website is easy to use, even the non-technical person can edit website. Second, manage your website from any computer. It means that WordPress can be managed from any computer which is connected to the internet. Third, no HTML editing or FTP software required. There is absolutely no requirement of additional HTML editing or FTP software for this platform. Fourth, search engines love WordPress sites. Fifth, you have control of your website. It means that you can have a full control of your website look and feel, even you can edit the text, images by yourself. Sixth, the design of your website is 100% customizable, so you can always customize the look and feel of your website. 7. A blog is built in and ready to go. The WordPress platform is developed mainly for the blogging feature. 8. Extend the functionality of your website with plugins. There are a lot of plugins available in the market which supports WordPress. 9. Your site can grow as your business grows. It means that if your business is growing, you can even grow your website. 10. Have multiple users. You can have a lot of users and you can also assign the roles to the users like administrator, editor, author. 11. Easy content management. You can say that WordPress is the easiest content management platform as compared to the others. 12. Speed and efficiency. So let's have a detailed overview of the benefits. The first point that we have discussed is ease of use. Some of you might have used WordPress and you can find the WordPress very easy to use. You can add new pages, new blog posts, images, etc. on a regular basis. technology used in WordPress is so simple that you can format your website in a less time. Second point, manage your website from any computer. As I have already informed you that WordPress is a browser-based platform, so you can log in from any internet connected computer and manage your website. Third point, no HTML editing or FTP software required. WordPress is a self-contained system and it doesn't require any kind of HTML editing software like Dreamweaver, Adobe Contribute, Macromedia Dreamweaver or Notepad++. You can create a new page or new blog post. You can even format your text. You can upload many images. You can upload various kinds of documents like video files, audio files, image galleries, etc. And this all without needing of any additional HTML or FTP software. Fourth point, search engines love WordPress sites. The code behind the WordPress is very clean and it is very simple, which makes it easy for search engines to read and index a site's content. Additionally, each page, each post and each image can have its own meta tag keywords, meta description and title, and it can be optimized for specific keywords also. It allows very precise search engine optimization techniques. You can also use tags to further enhance your search engine optimization efforts. Fifth, you have control of your website. It means that no more waiting for your web designer or web developer to make a simple updates on your WordPress website. With WordPress, you have control of nearly every aspect of your site. You can easily make those simple updates yourself. Sixth, the design of your website is 100% customizable. It means that WordPress acts as the engine of your website. The look and feel of the site can be 100% customized. So you can have your brand sign through on your website and you can provide a unique experience to your visitors. 7. A blog is built in and ready to go. Since WordPress was originally created as a blogging platform, it has the blogging capabilities inbuilt and it is easy to integrate if desired. Setting up RSS or email subscriptions to your blog, commenting capabilities and automatically adding the most recent blog posts to other pages of the site are very simple. It helps to extend your company's reach and make your site more dynamic and interactive. 8. Extend the functionality of your site with plugins. There are numerous of plugins available in the market. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. Like if you want to add an event calendar or a video gallery or a Twitter feed or Facebook fan box, anything you want, you can achieve that with the help of plugins. WordPress makes this possible with the plugins, and most of which, as I have said you, that most of which plugins are free and very reasonably priced. 9. Your site can grow as your web business grows. WordPress sites are very scalable, so you can have hundreds of thousands of pages or blog posts on your site, and even with the thousands of pages, your site can perform greatly as compared to the others. So your site will not compromise in the least. Have multiple users. As an administrator of a WordPress site, you can set up multiple users for the website. Even you can assign access levels and capabilities to each users. Easy content management. Managing content has never been easier until the WordPress. And you can simplify things even more by assigning editors, authors, administrators, and limiting their freedom. If you can edit a Word document, you can edit the content on your WordPress website. Speed and efficiency. As hard to believe as it may seem, WordPress allows you to build your website in as little as a single day, only requires pictures and content. Many may argue that there are other proprietary software options out there, and some of them offer most of the above benefits. But remember, none of them will offer all at once, and none will rise to the value, flexibility, and efficiency of WordPress. So friends, these are the main benefits of WordPress. In upcoming videos, you will get to know that how to install WordPress, how can you create a website with the help of WordPress. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it now, and please do not forget to press that bell icon so that you will get the updates from us. Thank you.